Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome to Yoruba Life TV. This is a sad news. The Alaafin of Oyo, Iku babayeye, has joined his ancestors. So, Alaafin of Oyo is the Alaafin, is the king of Oyo kingdom. Oyo is a town, is an ancient town in Oyo State. So, yesterday, being on the Friday, the Alaafin of Oyo died. So, according to the Punch newspaper, I just read it on the paper just now. That I just read it in the news just now that the Alaafin of Oyo is gone. This is a sad news for us as Yorubas. According to the source says the top Yoruba monarch died. That is according to the palace officials. So Adeyemi died. The Iku babayeye died at the Alaafin Teaching Hospital in Ado-Ekiti. Ado-Ekiti is the capital of Ekiti State. So the late Alaafin first son, Prince Tunde, and other children had received the monarch remains. This is according to the Punch newspaper, so you can check out more details on that platform to read more about how it all happened. So, Alaafin of Oyo, as you all know, is a king of Oyo kingdom. So, and Alaafin, the meaning of Alaafin means the owner of the palace. Alaafin, the person that owns the palace. So, he is a very top Yoruba king. He's one of the top Yoruba kings that we should always remember. So may his soul rest in perfect peace. Alaafin of Oyo, we are going to miss you. We are going to miss you so much. It is very sad. It is very sad. We Yorubas will miss you. Thank you guys.